Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Phone Tech. Let's compare two Samsung's new smartphones, Samsung Galaxy A30s and Samsung Galaxy M30s. Let's start. First we talk about the front camera. As you can see here, both smartphone comes with a 16 megapixel front facing camera. Next talk about the performance. Galaxy A30s comes with a 1.8 GHz octa-core processor and Exynos 7904 chipset, and M30s comes with a 2.3 GHz octa-core processor and Exynos 9610 chipset. Now I'm gonna talk about RAM and storage. A30s comes with a 3GB and 4GB RAM option and 3 options in storage, 32, 64 and 128GB. And next, M30s comes with a 4GB and 6GB RAM option and 2 options in storage, 64 and 128GB. If I gonna look on display, as you can see here, both smartphone has the same display, 6.4-inch HD plus Super AMOLED display. Now guys, give a look on back camera. A30s comes with a triple rear camera. It has a 25 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 8 megapixel, and M30s has a also triple rear camera, but you can see here the difference in pixels, 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 5 megapixel. Now give a look on some few things. Both smartphone has the Android 9 and dual SIM option in both smartphone, and fingerprint sensor in under display you will get in Samsung Galaxy A30s, and fingerprint sensor on the back you will get in Samsung Galaxy M30s. And talk about the GPU, Galaxy M30s has a Mali G72 MP3 and A30s has a Mali G71. And talk about the battery, Galaxy A30s has a 4000 mAh non-movable battery with fast battery charging. And talk about the other M30s battery, it has a 6000 mAh battery and it's also battery charging fast. And talk about the price, A30s expected price is 14,000 in India rupees and 200 in US dollar, and other side expected price 15,000 and 220 in US dollar. Thanks guys for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new update.